Question number 5. A glass of drink is made by adding water to 20 millimeter of orange juice. A glass of drink is made by adding water to 20 millimeter of orange juice. Anna is making a glass of this drink. She uses 9 ml of water for every 1 ml of orange juice. 9 ml for every 1 ml. So for 1 ml it is 9 ml, for 2 ml it is 18, for 3 it is 27, for 4. So just multiply 20 to 9, you will get mls of water. Okay, what work out the volume of drink in this glass. What will be the volume of drink in this glass? So 20 ml. Uh, okay, 20 ml is the orange juice plus 20 multiplied by 9 will be the water. So 20 plus 180, 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 18. So this will become 200 ml. 200 ml is the answer. Okay. Tarak has a bottle containing 2 liters of orange juice. He uses all of the orange juice to make glasses of this drink. Tarak has a bottle containing 2 liters of orange juice. He uses all of the orange juice to make glass of this drink. Work out the number of glasses that he uses. 2 liters. Okay. So 20 ml for 1 liters. How many 20 mls are in 2 liters? So this is very simple. 2 liter has 2000 ml. We will divide 2000 divided by 20, will get 200 ml. Okay. So 20, 2 liter of orange juice, 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. Okay. So how many number of glasses? There is 20 ml for 1 glass. So 2000 ml will contain, uh, 0 will be cancelled out with the 0. 2 1 is a 2, 200 is a 200. We'll get 100 glasses. If 20 ml makes 1 glass, so 2000 ml will make 100 glasses. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 6. Square root of 36. How can we solve this one? Square root of 36 is 6 square and to the power 1 upon 2. 2 will be cancelled out with the 2. You will get answer is 6. Okay. 5. 1 upon 5 power minus 2 means 1 upon 5 to the power 2. This is equal to 1 upon 25. And if you convert this into decimal, so 25 fours are 100. Okay. It's very simple. 0.04 is the answer. 0.04 is the answer. How can you do this one? 1 divided by 25, 0.10. Again, this will not work. Add another 0 to this one. So now 25 fours are 100. And you got 0.04, which is the answer of this one. Okay. 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 5 upon 3 is equal to 2 to the power k. Find the value of k. Very simple question. We can do this one. Okay. 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 5 upon 3 is equal to 2 to the power k. Now 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, 5 upon 3. 3 will be cancelled out with the 3. So 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power k, 2 to the power k. Now, uh, 2, these two numbers are multiplying with each other, both have the same base, therefore the exponents will be added to each other. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 2 to the power k. 2 to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power k. Two bases are the same, so k is equal to 7 is the answer. Okay. Question number 7. Yasmin swims at her local swimming pool. She pays $4.65 each time she visits the pool. Calculate the total amount of money she pays for 7 visits to the pool. Okay. So if she pays $4.65 for one visit, so for 7 visits that will become 4.65 multiplied by 4.65 multiplied by 7. Okay. So total amount for 7 visits. Answer is total amount for 7 visits, that is equal to dollar 4.65 multiplied by 7, and we will get the answer 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42 45, 7 4 is 28 plus 4 is 32, and $32.55 she will pay for 7 visits. 32.55. Okay. On one visit she swims 40 lengths. The first length she swims is length 1 or length L. Okay. The second is length 2 and so on. Length 1, length 2. Okay. She swims on her back on lengths. She have numbers that are multiples of 4 or 5, because the number of lengths that she swims on her back. On one visit she swims 40 lengths. Okay. The first length she swims is length 1, the second is length 2 and so on. Okay. She swims on her back on lengths which have numbers that are multiple of 4 and 5, because the number of lengths that she swims on her back. Okay, so if 4 and 5 are the multiples of the lengths that she swims on her back, so that will become 4 1 is a 4. Okay, 4 and 5, because we need the multiple of 4 and 5. 8 and 10, 12 and 15, 16 and 20, then 24, then 25. Okay, then 28, 30, 32, 35, 36 and 14. Okay, so these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 4 14 15 and 16. So calculate the number of lengths that she swims on her back, that is equal to uh, 16. Number of lengths, 16 is the answer. Okay, these are the multiples of 4 and 5. Okay, you can see this one, this 4 5, all these are the multiples in 4 and 5, and she swims on her back for the numbers that are multiple of 4 and 5, so between 1 to 40. So these are the numbers which are between 1 and 40, and these are the multiples of 4 and 5. Okay, so this is the answer of this question.